Good day everyone, my name is Prudencio Cañedo, taking Bachelor of Elementary Education, and today I will discuss you about the continuation of differentiated instruction. Differentiated instruction strategies for science. Emma McCrea 2019 suggests setting up help station where peers assist each other, those that have more knowledge of the subject will be able to teach those that are struggling as an extension activity, and those that are struggling will receive. Set up a question and answer session during which learners can ask the teachers of their first question in order to fill in knowledge gaps before attempting the experiment. Create a visual word wall, use pictures and corresponding labels to help the student remember terms. Set up interest centers. When learning about dinosaurs, you might have an excavation center, a reading center, a dinosaur art project that focuses on their anatomy, and a video center. Provide content learning in various formats such as showing a video about dinosaur, handing out a worksheet with pictures of dinosaurs and labels, and providing a fill-in-the-blank worksheet with interesting dinosaur facts. Next is differentiated instruction strategies for ELL. ASCD 2012 writes that all teachers need to become language teacher so that the content they are teaching the classroom can be conveyed to the student whose first language is not English. Start by providing the information in the language that the student speak, then pairing it with limited amount of the corresponding vocabulary in English. Although ELL need a limited amount of new vocabulary to memorize, they need to be exposed to as much of the English language as possible. This means that when teaching, the teacher needs to focus on verbs and adjectives related to the topic as well. Group work is important. This is the way they are exposed to more of the language. They should, however, be grouped with other ALL if possible, as well as given tasks within the group that are within their reach, such as drawing or researching. Next is differentiated instruction strategies for reading. Third assignments can be used in reading to allow the student to show what they have learned at a level that suits them. One student might create a visual storyboard while another student might create a book report. Reading groups can pick a book based on interests or be assigned based on reading level. Erin Lynch 2020 suggests the teachers scaffold instruction by giving clear explicit explanations with visuals. Verbally and visually explain the topic. Use anchor charts, drawing, diagram, and reference guides to foster a clearer understanding. If applicable, provide a video clip for students to watch. Utilize flexible grouping. Students might be in one group for phonics based on their assist level, but choose to be in another group for reading because they are more interested in that book. Next is differentiated instruction strategies for writing. Hold writing conference with your students either individually or in small groups. Talk with them throughout the writing process, starting with their topic and moving through grammar, composition, and editing. Allow students to choose their writing topics. When the topic is of interest, they will be likely put more effort to the assignment and therefore learn more. Keep track of and assist student writing progress continually through the year. You can do this using a journal or a checklist. This will allow you to give individualized instruction. Handout graphic organizer to help students outline their writing. Try fill in the blank notes that guide the students through each step of the writing process for those who need additional assistance. For primary grades, give out line paper instead of a journal. You can also give out differing amount of lines based on ability level. For those who are excelling and at writing, give them more lines or pages to encourage them to write more. For those that are still in the beginning stage of writing, give them less lines so that they do not feel overwhelmed. And the last is differentiated instruction strategies for special education. Use a multi-sensory approach. Get all 5 senses involved in your lessons, including taste and smell. Use flexible grouping to create partnership and teach students how to work collaboratively on tasks. Create partnership where the students are of equal ability. Partnership where once the student will be challenged by their partner, and another time they will be punishing and challenging their partner. Assistive technology is often an important component of differential instruction in special education. Provide the students that need them with screen reader, personal tablets for communication, and voice recognition software. The article differentiation and LR information for SES. Teachers suggest teachers be flexible when giving assessment. Foster model performance and drawing can show what they have learned in a way that reflects their personal strength. You can test for knowledge using rubrics instead of choices questions, or even build a portfolio of student work. You could also have them answer questions orally. Utilize explicit modeling, whether it's note-taking, problem-solving in math, or making a sandwich in home living. Special needs students often require a step-by-step to make a connection. So that is the coverage of my report, and thank you for listening and watching. Hope you learn a lot.